Welcome to EverBot, where smarter AI starts here.
Let's start our topic. What is LoRA? How does it work in LLaMA-Factory? And how can we train a model efficiently? First, we install all the required libraries and check if a GPU is available. Next, we load the dataset from an Excel file, clean it, and standardize the format. Text labels like positive or negative are converted into numbers so the model can understand them. We then select a pre-trained model, in this case, Distilbert. Here, we tokenize the text and load the model. We also apply LoRA, a technique that makes training more efficient by updating only a small part of the model instead of the entire network. Including the number of epochs, learning rate, and batch size. These settings act as a blueprint for the training process. This is where the model starts learning from the data. It continuously updates its parameters and tracks performance using metrics like accuracy and F1 score. After training, we retrieve the final results. This gives us a clear summary of how well the model performs. Next, we save the trained model and tokenizer to Google Drive. This allows us to reuse the model later without retraining. By reloading the model, we can easily load the saved model and tokenizer back into memory, making it ready for predictions anytime. If needed, we can continue training from where it stopped. This helps improve performance without starting over. We can also adjust training settings for different tasks or experiments, making the pipeline flexible. Finally, we explore advanced techniques like deep speed for optimized training. While it's most effective with GPUs, this step shows how to scale training for larger models. And that's the full pipeline, from setup to optimization, for training an efficient AI model.